Hi everyone, just a real quick video showing you how to run your Transcend Micro Travel Cpap off of battery power. I'm going to be traveling in about a month and one of the legs is over 8 hours and it's overnight, so I wanted to make sure that I would be able to catch up on sleep on the leg of the trip. I found some information on Reddit, but there was some conflicting details and I had to do some digging. So I thought since I have it figured out, I should make a video so others can benefit from it. So this is the Transcend Micro Travel Cpap. It's about the size of a US baseball, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe somewhere between the size of a baseball and what we would call a softball in the US. It's a great little machine, very light, very easy to travel with. This is the battery bank that you'll need. This is the links to these items will be down in the description, so you can click on them there and get them directly from Amazon. This is a 65 watt, 27,000 milliamp hour battery bank. It was about $30, I think, off of Amazon. It's relatively light. There's bigger and heavier and more powerful battery banks out there, but for single night sleep and then recharging, this should be all you need. It was pretty cheap, and it worked well for my purposes. From the cord, you're going to need an adapter that goes into the CPAP, and this is where I ran into some issues finding this. So this one here, it was off of Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks or something. It wasn't very expensive. Comes with all these adapters. The one you want is this one right here. They call it the HP Dell adapter. It's got a 5 millimeter hole and it's 7.4 millimeters across. So you'll take that and you can set you won't need the other ones at all. The adapter kit comes with this cord, and it's a pretty high quality cord. It's got a fabric sheath, which is pretty nice. And you just plug in the adapter into the cord, and then the adapter goes into the CPAP, and you have power. The downside to this is that it's not a 90-degree adapter. I haven't taken the time to find a 90-degree yet because the other night when I used this, I just set it upside down once it was up and running, and it worked perfectly fine. I started out at 100% at the beginning of the night, and I slept for 8 or 9 hours, and when I woke up, I was at 44%. So plenty of power for a single night's sleep, and then you can recharge for the next day. This worked absolutely perfect, didn't have any issues at all. The Transcend, if you're not familiar with the Transcend, it's a great little travel CPAP because it's so much lighter and easier to carry. It does run a little bit louder than a traditional CPAP. If anyone would like a review of the CPAP or me to compare my home CPAP to this one, I'd be happy to set up a video to do that. Otherwise, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The links to the battery bank and the adapter and cord are in the link as well, and those are links for Amazon. This is really all you need. One real quick thing, the travel CPAP, if you're a person who uses humidity, and I don't, I only use humidity when I am sick, but the travel CPAP has a proprietary hose that locks in to the machine, and then you're able to use your existing CPAP mask with the hose. There is a capability of humidity with these things. They have little pods that go in line with the CPAP hose, and I'm not exactly sure how they work or how well they work. I did buy some just in case I need them on the trip, but I haven't tried them out yet. I think they're either single use or you might be able to use them 1 or 2 times. I'm not really super sure. I have to do some more reading up on that. But if anyone would like more information or a deeper dive into those with a review, I'd be happy to do that for you. Like I said, comments, questions below, happy to answer them for you. Thanks.